I just want a true love and you. Even if it brings me pain, gives me walls I would. I just want a real love and you. Love you, then I just want to keep loving you down.
Collision caused the heat, seats broke my cold-blooded. Never show you weakness, get bash for something you may have uttered. These hungry canines wanna eat me like a breast so buttered. Still struggling for the touch, truly wanna get after cluttered. Is dead or alive? What would you do? Would you let the other one screw you, run a one whose views too crude? I won't bow down. No one can stop me. It's mostly my battle against my own shadow. I kept on stepping up my game, my skills to get the hell out of same current endurance. And we just weren't on the same page. Your arguments became way too recurrent. Love is power, however, let alone it turn sour. Cause we kept missing out and I just got shallow every hour. No other way to adjust.